Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another Halloween look for you guys because it is another day of 31 days of Halloween. And today I am doing a hybrid look between Annabelle and my version of a voodoo doll. So this is a little bit porcelain doll, a little bit voodoo doll, a little bit black magic, a little bit possessed demon from hell. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, just keep watching and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the looks that I'm creating here on 31 Days of Halloween. Let's get started. For the first color, I am going to take this ColourPop shade called Sticker Sheet. It is like a medium brownish color, and we are going to put this in the crease. I am just taking this. I don't have any eye primer on because these ColourPop shadows just work so well. You don't really need any primer. I'm just putting this on and drawing out the shape I want. So I want it to be a bit winged and a bit dramatic just because I feel like this look has been done so many times now, like I want to make it my own. So that's what we're gonna do. So hopefully you can see how I brought it out here. And then I'm going to blend it with my fingertips. So now using another ColourPop shadow, this one is called Beverly from the Karuchi collab. I am going to put this on the outside of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take this color called Keeper. It's a little bit lighter, and we're going to put this on the inner part of the eyelid. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Wifey, and it is like a deep red. We're going to use this as eyeliner just for something a little bit different. And all of these lipsticks are eye safe, so you can use them as eyeliner or eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to go in and conceal under my eyes. Just put a couple of dots so that we can kind of clean up the bottom half. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take some of this NYX white pencil in Milk and create a really big doe eye type shape. A lot of voodoo dolls have buttons for eyes, but this one I wanted to make it look like it was supposed to look like someone specific. Now I'm just going to use some black liner to kind of outline that and make it look like the regular eye shape. I'm going to add some little lashes on the bottom. So now I'm going to contour my face. I'm just going to bring the normal contour color that I use and kind of create these really round cheeks. So I'm going from right about here up underneath. way that chubby part of your cheek kind of sticks out a bit more. And then you can blend away the bottom part. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to put on a pair of lashes and some mascara, and then I will be right back to show you the rest of the look. Now that we have the lashes on, I'm going to take this blush in Cheerio. This is another ColourPop product, and we're gonna put this on the cheeks. So the first step here is to take some black paint and start drawing on our stitches. This is my Wet n Wild cream paint in black, and we're gonna connect the neck to the rest of the body. So right here, I'm gonna draw an X. We're gonna kind of make a round shape on the end of each stitch, as if that's where it goes into the body. So on the face, I'm gonna add some stitches as well. I'm gonna do some on my cheeks. I'm gonna do some kind of by my shoulders as well, maybe? I'm gonna do some by my arms, where my arms connect to my shoulders, so that they look like they are also stitched on. I'm gonna do stitches along the hairline as well, so it's like the hair is sewn to my head. So I'm using this NYX liquid lip in the color Vintage. It's kind of like a reddish brown color. And we're gonna pop this on. Not taking it all the way to the ends of my lips. I'm just taking it almost to the end, but not the very corners. We are going to add some gems. So these are some Wet n Wild gems, and I'm going to be using the dark red ones. So I am just going to place these kind of in the shape of a heart on my chest. So as a finishing touch, I'm just going to take a little bit of this red lip gloss and pop it right in the center of my lips, so that there is a little bit more shine and they look a bit more painted on. So that is the end of my Voodoo doll Annabelle creepy doll hybrid look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you leave me a comment down below about what you're going to be for Halloween and what you want to see coming up on this channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.